My name is Benjamin Westog, and I'm the National Sales Manager for Yonkers and Muller's Mediatex here in the United States. Today I'd like to talk to you about Covertex UPcycling and demonstrate its use as a paste-to-wall wall covering. Covertex is a PVC-free textile made with recycled yarn content. It has a bright white face and a gray coated back. It can be easily applied directly to a wall in one seamless piece with a water-based paste. Covertex is Type 2 durable, has a Class A fire certification, so it makes it suitable for commercial applications and will meet architect and designer specifications. The wall behind me is 9 foot by 12 foot. It's been primed and cleaned, so let's go ahead and apply a paste-to-wall Covertex graphic.
Some things you'll need for a paste-to-wall install are a step ladder, wallpaper paste, a 1/4 inch nap roller and roller frame, a paintbrush, a roller tray, a sponge and a bucket of clean water, and a soft squeegee like this felt one. You will need to roll your print side in the orientation in which you are going to mount. I'll be going left to right. I'll be applying 24-inch wide patches of paste directly to the wall as I go, but you can also coat the entire wall first. Once you have the roll's leading edge tacked in place, use your squeegee to smooth the textile onto the wall. Having an extra pair of hands is very helpful. My girlfriend Nicole will be holding the rolled up print and helping me walk it onto the wall. When you get a section tacked, roll another 24-inch wide patch of paste onto the wall ahead of you and continue to smooth the Covertex to the wall. Be sure to keep the top edge of the material aligned with the ceiling line to keep it straight. This whole application took me about an hour and a half, including preparation and cleanup. I'm sure a professional installer would cut that in half. I'm using undiluted Roman Pro A80, which is a premium clear adhesive with excellent wet tack, extended open time, and it's very easy to clean up. Roll an even coat of paste onto the wall and make sure to roll out any clumps. Squeegee any excess paste to the top and bottom and wipe it off with a damp sponge. Trim off any excess material with a utility knife and go over the entire surface with a squeegee to smooth out any bubbles. Then use a damp sponge to clean off any leftover paste. So here's the finished Covertex paste-to-wall. The lack of seams adds to the luxury of this wall covering and will increase its longevity and durability. Again, Covertex is Type 2 durable and has a Class A fire certification. It's also very easy to clean up with a light detergent. A big thanks to Revolution Interiors in Orlando, Florida, who printed this on their EFI GS5000R. Please visit us at jm-mediatex.com for more information.